have been preparing ourselves for today's boat tour, right, Joen?
I've been warming up with, I think, 1 gin and tonic. I've had 4 canecas. I've had half a bottle of white wine. So
And
yeah.
what did you have? The same?
I think I had a quarter of a bottle of wine.
A quarter.
Which means you had 3/4.
Jason, he drinks
Yeah.
just as much as me.
No, I don't. What are you
So
talking
it's
about?
lovely company to be with here. I feel at home.
I
Yeah.
drink heaps of water.
Drink.
0% alcohol. Can you see my nose growing?
So we're going to see some caves. Amalie, she loves the big black holes.
Be family friendly
So
for once.
this is part of the Algarve vlog, by the way, that you need to be drunk in order to really get the full experience and the feeling. So I hope you can feel it through the screen here, because I'm feeling it right now. I don't know exactly how many caves we are going to see, but it's a sunset cruise allegedly. So we are gonna be with other people, and yeah. Do they
cares?
serve gin and tonics?
I hope so. Or we're getting off.
So Joen, he accidentally forgot
Is
to
it
put
cancer?
sunscreen.
You really look like one of those British tourists.
You look like a
now.
brick. As I told you, it's cancer. How is this possible?
This is exactly what happens when you don't pay attention to how you
No,
apply
but like,
your
how is
sunscreen.
this possible? I don't
Please
even
be
get
family
it.
friendly, wear some clothes.
It's fake marketing.
How do you feel about the fact that we are gonna go on a boat with so many people?
I don't feel as much VIP as I usually
But
feel.
you will get the best seat, come on, go.
Okay. So we're going on that boat?
Yes.
Really?
That's the boat right there.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not.
Are you kidding me?
Do you need one chow? Do you prefer a small one?
Yeah.
He likes smaller the better.
Are you kidding me?
It's further down.
Are you ready, Joen?
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
Joen is still looking for the smaller boat.
Are you kidding me?
Leave your shoes in the basket, please. Thank you.
Are you kidding me?
Stop swearing, Mokriad.
What are you talking about? This is crazy. I knew. This is what I said. I said this. These guys, they wanted fancy.
Fancy. Vamos.
Go on the boat, Joen.
Yeah, but okay, this is incredible.
Wait a second.
I feel like this is only for me, the surprise here.
Yeah, it is.
I just said that I wish we could go on a boat like this.
Yeah, and it was this boat.
Guys, you
Wow.
Now do you feel bad for complaining all day?
You need to give Anthony a big hug.
I just did.
How is your mood now? You have been in a
No,
bit of
yeah.
a silly mood?
But this helps on my hangover from yesterday, which was a good date. Are you sure you can catch the drone on the moving boat?
Yeah, I've done that many times. Have a look.
She's a pro. I wish you had a YouTube channel so I could say that go subscribe, but you know. I just realized life is not that bad. I've never been on a boat like this before. I think the biggest I've been on is like one of maybe that one over there.
Well, these people, you are so mean.
Loot. Okay. Para mim.
Para mim.
Obrigado.
Muito obrigado.
Endless gratuity for this,
Yeah,
guys.
this is insane. You literally made our Alentejo trip.
Alentejo trip.
Oh,
Where the hell are you?
Algarve. Oh, come on. I'm on a boat.
Take two.
Okay?
I'm on a boat. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll stand up as well.
We won't be filming that much on this trip because we have to enjoy this.
But
Okay.
basically, these two guys made this happen, so we
Yeah.
have to appreciate also the fact that they are the reason why this content is so nice.
If you like this vlog, hit subscribe because of these guys. Cheers, guys.
So,
Saúde.
obrigada.
Mm.
Now we're gonna pass by the house of Luis Figo, the football player.
Oh, really?
Yes. It's from a fruit. So
Okay.
this is the old men do it for themselves for a year.
So what we are having right now is a glass of medronio. And medronio is something that will where you will be drunk long time after drinking it because it fragments in your belly. So they say that you will be forever drunk after either eating the fruit of medronio or having the shot of the liquor. A vida doce.
A vida boa.
So it's
I can't believe this is real life. I mean,
insane.
we don't even need alcohol.
Can we drink it though?
Cheaper. Everything is cheaper. Here is more expensive.
How much would a
Snaps.
like that?
Guys, this is not usual for us. We've never tried anything like this.
Nothing
it's
like this.
over the top. And we have 3 hours on the boat here, so we're gonna see the sunset. Guys, can we just say thank you once again for this incredible gift. I love you.
I love you too.
You're both most welcome. We love you too.
Thank you.
Mwah.
This area, all this coastline was destroyed in 1755. Okay?
By the
A
earthquake.
tsunami.
Yeah.
Yes.
Tsunami.
Lisbon
Ah,
was
the
20
earthquake.
meters wave, and here was 5 meters wave.
I can't believe that.
So
all
was
of
it 20
Portugal-
meters in Lisbon? I don't know.
Yes. Because the cliff is more high when it arrives to the shore, it climbs up.
So beautiful, the horizon at the moment. And I'm hoping there is
Hello. So that was the boat that I was convinced they were inviting us onto, but now we're here, private boat. We got the champagne running like it's water, and now we're going into this cave here. Oh my god, wow, that is what I'm talking about. Amalie? Amalie?
Yeah.
We're making a vlog here. Do you want
I'm
to participate?
taking photos. I'm taking photos of this.
I didn't know that this huge boat could actually sail in here. Hola, tudo bem? They have a little baby on it.
Kid, it's not a baby.
Okay, we're getting all the way in there. That's what she said.
beautiful.
Oh, Amalie. Oh yeah. Wow. Are you sure about this, guys? Are you sure about it? You can jump from here? Okay, so people, they actually jump through up here. I mean, that has to be terrifying. Jason is getting the money shot.
Don't fall.
Caminho de ferro, mandaram um velho maquinista com seu flores, janelas e
heaps better than I thought it would be.
Okay, we gotta go now. You better swim in.
Huh?
We're leaving.
I don't believe you.
Bye.
It's a long swim in though. And now we go up. Okay?
Well, he
Now
said.
be careful with your hands, by the way.
Yeah, here.
Okay, I think you should both jump in from there again.
1, 2, 3, go!
So I don't think I can come up with a scenario that is more optimal than this right here. Flying the drone, we got the golden hour light, we got the hot girls, the hot guys. I mean, I wish I could drink champagne while flying the drone though.
This is the whale. Remember to subscribe, guys.
Yeah, I'm showering you down.
Should I go in?
I'll even go in with you.
Warmer than what it was today. Heaps warmer.
Really? So we went in the water today.
That is so
This is
warm.
day 2 by the way, and but it's 15 degrees?
Apparently.
That's freezing. That's
But
like
it feels like more.
You're coming in too.
Oh, and he's turning on the music. This is turning into a proper sauna club.
Let's go. You're coming in.
Okay. Can I pee in the water?
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god, this feels so good! Ah! Woo! I'm gonna pee now.
Go away.
Yo, get out! I'm peeing!
Go away.
It's warm.
That's
Oh, now it's warm.
Oh, I forgot to rinse off.
This is absolutely astonishing. I feel extremely privileged. I just want you to know that you should be jealous of my life right here in this moment. I have a lot of problems in my life. I suffer from anxiety. But here, it all goes away. Oh, I'm coming home now, Amalie. I'll be ready. I'll be ready. That's Stefan Hasselhoff. Did you get the sun rays?
Yeah, come up. I'm freezing.
I'm ready to get drunk.
So we are about to end of this amazing, how can you say, boat day today?
A surprise day and good life in Algarve vlog. It's been a long video, but it's been our 2 days here of exploring the good life on Algarve. And it's so funny because I said, let's do an Algarve, the good life vlog. And I had no idea we were going on this boat here.
And I have been so excited for you to see this, because even though I knew before, I could almost not carry my excitement. So I was like, please, can we go so you can see it, so I can talk about it?
Yeah.
I've been so excited for this. So we have some stunning friends. They just gave us the gift of our life. We have been tipsy since we arrived in Algarve, and that is exactly what you're supposed to do when you are in Algarve, because it's vacation, it's summer, and it's love.
So cheers on this, Amalie. This is actually real champagne, not that cheap shit from Portugal. That's a joke.
How dare you? But it's delicious.
Yeah. Let's say goodbye to our dear friends Jason and Anthony. This is the guys you go to Algarve with, because they know how to enjoy the good life.
Yeah.
It's been awesome spending this time with both of you, actually, so thank you.
Thank you.
For sharing this with us. It's memories for us as well as memories for you, so we appreciate it as well.
Muito obrigado.
It's been a great couple of days. Thank you. Enjoy. And if you like, what do you always say? Subscribe and hit the bell. Ding dong.
Well, you like the ding dong.
Exactly. Thank you for watching,
A little
guys.
too much.
Até logo.
Até logo.
Ciao, guys. Mwah.